So it looks like the end to the pandemic is near. Yes. Gidenhali, one of the three open crematoriums in Bangalore for COVID victims, is set to be shut down as the body count has come down to single digit. Now in April, with Bengaluru recording about 20,000 cases per day and deaths steadily increasing, the Karnataka government opened three mass cremation grounds in the outskirts of the city. These grounds, with the capacity to conduct 50 cremations at a time, were a blot on the city. Over the next few weeks, ambulances carrying the dead lined up these cremation grounds where pyres burned continuously with just a break of about 5 to 6 hours. All that hopefully seems to be in the past. From tomorrow, Gidenhali, one of the three mass cremation grounds to be opened, will be shut. Others will follow soon. The good news is that not only are the number of deaths decreasing, the COVID cases are also coming down to over 1,000 bodies have been cremated at the Gidenhali cremation ground from April 30 till date. On May 8th, it received the highest number of bodies, 66 to be precise. On June 1st, it received none. Manjunath, urban DC, said that the number of bodies coming to the mass cremation ground has been decreasing steadily, and they have decided to shut Gidenhali from Friday. BBMP official clarified. Today's BBMP bulletin lists the number of deaths as 347, one of the highest we have had. But this is not the number of deaths recorded in 24 hours. This is because of the data lagging. This number is the cumulative deaths over the last few days. Tanveer Ahmed, a volunteer with Mercy Angels, an NGO that has been helping with the cremations and funerals, also corroborated that the number of cremations and funerals have come down. On June 3rd, we did only 2 cremations. The number of calls on our helpline has gone down by 90%. There are no long queues seen outside crematorium, said Tanveer Ahmed. He added that the opening of mass cremation grounds helped in carrying out the last rites without much chaos. They were well managed at Tabarekar open cremation ground. The Tehsildar was always present and made sure that the processes were set in place so that people did not have to wait. The helpline set up exclusively for cremations in the second week of May helped to ease the process of cremations. Earlier, for non-COVID deaths, one would have to take an appointment online and then go to the cremation. For COVID deaths, families had to take a token and stand in line. I just can't imagine all of that. Now, the exclusive helpline started slotting COVID deaths and non-COVID deaths separately, allotted a time for the cremation and saving families the long way. Hospital admissions are also coming down. Dr. Gunasekar, CMD GVG in Vivo Hospital, said that the admissions had come down to negligible numbers in the last 2 weeks and patients were getting discharged presently at the hospital. There are only a few patients in the ICU, though the mortality rate has come down. The number of death is coming down during the peak. The number of death was more as beds were unavailable during the critical moments. Now that anyone who requires medical attention is able to get oxygenated beds, the number of deaths are coming down. Now, this doesn't mean we get excited and start going out and just forget all about the diverse COVID. But you can have a rally, but like inside your houses. And even if you go out, don't forget to wear the mask. Thank you.